friends, Meg and Whitney here. Do you ever feel like you get stuck in a rut of basic, boring, straight line quilting? I have a couple projects I've been working on here for summer. This is a cute little Seagull pillow, and this one is a little lobster wall hanging I'm gonna make. And I used a really simple method to do some quilting on it that kind of resembles wind or waves since they're summer themed projects. And it looks almost like it's free motion quilted, but it's not. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how. So you want to put the walking foot on your machine. I'm using the Janome Continental M7, which is equipped with AcuFeed. It's Janome's awesome walking foot system that feeds your fabric beautifully for quilting, eliminates puckering and bunching. So install your walking foot for your machine and use a stitch length of around 3.0. And all you're going to do is hold your fabric kind of like this and start going. And you just want to kind of like meander back and forth, and you can do kind of wider arcs and shorter arcs, and just have fun with it and go very randomly. It kind of can end up looking like it's almost free motion quilted, but it's not. The feed dogs are engaged. The feed dogs are up, not down. The walking foot is feeding the fabric through. You're just kind of turning it really randomly back and forth to create a beautiful, windy, beachy, wavy sort of summery design. So fun and easy, right? If you'd like to make either of these projects, we have kits available on our website at urbansociety.com. We'll put links below. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.